Hey guys, welcome back to Black Pearl Media. I am trying to pick a song for a new intro. So I'm trying to put together an intro. I've never done this before, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mash up some video that I've taken over this past year of 2019. See if I can just make a quick intro, maybe like 5 to 10 seconds, maybe even shorter than that. But I'm just trying to pick a song, which gives me anxiety because picking out a song is a pain in the neck. So I'm just gonna get to it. I kind of like that one, but I don't know, we'll keep looking a little bit. Oh, I think I got it. Okay, I kind of dig this one. Alright, licensing it. Step 1. Complete! Alright, so next step is to import a whole bunch of files of cool footage that I took. Okay, update. I've got a whole bunch put together, but I want to add my logo, but it has a background, so I got to figure out how to get rid of the background so it's just the text and I can put it over it. Hopefully make this clean. I am not a graphic designer at all, but it's kind of fun to play around with this. So got my logo in here, switched around the color to make sure the overlays work all right. Figured that out with the help of Daniel. Thanks, dude. And so I'm just changing up the color of the logo here, and then location. This is taking longer than I thought, but it's kind of fun. So I can always play around with it and stuff. It's pretty cool. Now maybe I'll just add some text that say subscribe at the end so everybody knows what to do, you know? Click that subscribe button. Go ahead, do it, smash it. I dare you. It only takes a second. You don't know where it is. If you look right down there, a little bit over this way, it's like a red button. It says subscribe. Okay. I think I'm done, so I'm gonna roll it now, and if you like it, hit subscribe, please. Well, what do you think? Was it too long? Was it too short? I'm gonna put it in there for a little bit. I can always make changes if I need to, but this is the video I have for today. I think this is day like 17 or 18. I'm losing track of the days for the daily videos, but I'm having a ton of fun doing this. We've gained a few subscribers, so thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. I know I'm harping on the whole subscribing thing, but I'm trying to get to 200 by the end of this 30 days, and I've been getting like 1 a day, so I want to try and boost that up to like 2 or 3 a day, just so that we can make it there comfortably. And if we could hit 200 by the end of January, that would be sick. And then we're going to go to the next goal, and there's going to be a lot more filming to do. It's winter time, so I'm really trying to fill my time with stuff that's like semi-interesting. I don't want to do a whole bunch of random stuff. I do want to keep it automotive centric. But there are going to be some random videos here and there where it's just not going to have anything to do with cars, and it's a new channel. I can do that. My place, my rules. I can do it. Anyways, let me know what you think about the little intro video. I'll throw it in again at the end here, kind of like an outro, and I think I could use it either way. So I kind of wanted to make it compatible to either like the beginning of the video or the end of the video or both or whatever. So just playing around, having some fun editing, and hope you like it. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.